Hello everyone. In the series of data visualization, today we'll talk about line graph. Line graphs are used to illustrate trends over time for continuous data. They can also be used to compare two different variables over time. Like here, with the help of dummy data, figure 10 represents trends in breast cancer per 100,000. So we can see that it represents the mortality and incidence of breast cancer patients from 2017 to 2021. And we can clearly observe that the incidence of breast cancer increases over the time, while mortality there is a slight increase in mortality over the period of time. Now let's learn how we can plot line graphs using Microsoft Excel. Here we have year-wise data of incidence. So we have to select data, then we have to go on insert, and then we can select line chart from all charts. Okay, so we can select the chart. And then as always, we have to define the title properly. And if we want, we can add the data labels over here. That's all for today. If you have any query, please feel free to ask me. Thank you for watching.